On the surface, everything looks calm. But just beneath, a hidden world is alive. Rabbits build complex underground tunnels, known as warrens. These tunnels protect them from predators, heat, and danger. Each entrance leads to a network, carefully designed for survival. Inside the burrow, the air is cooler, the light disappears, and the noise of the outside world fades away. This is where rabbits rest, move, and live. Deep inside, there is a nesting chamber, soft grass, fur, and warmth. Here, young kids wait, completely dependent, completely vulnerable. Even underground, danger exists. Every sound matters. Every vibration is a signal. The rabbit listens, always ready to react, because survival never stops. A rabbit returns through the tunnel, bringing food. It moves quickly, confidently. This path is familiar. This is home. Beneath the ground, families survive in silence, hidden from the world above. Safe for now. Subscribe to explore more underground worlds.